It's November, we're properly into autumn now, the leaves are falling, we've had a first frost and the garden's slowing down for its winter rest. But you know what? There's still loads we can be doing too. You could hang up the tools and you might get away with not mowing again. But like me, I don't need an excuse, and here's a few. So let's tidy up these leaves, get them off your lawns, off your beds, off the drives, and out of your ponds too. Don't forget to keep them though. These are brown gold and you can use them as mulch next year. Talking of mulch, you want to be getting out and weeding your beds. This is the best time to get the most out of your weeding. It'll last longer. Look at the heat coming off that. But mulch them afterwards too. It'll make your weeding efforts last longer. It will stop the weeds growing. It will also then keep the moisture in the summer, as well as keeping the frost off those roots over winter. Mulch, mulch, mulch. Here's a bed I'm working on. I've put wood chip down, but I will also be putting old decomposed grass clippings over the top because they work hand in hand. Hostas, please don't tidy them up if you don't need to when they look like that. You want them looking like this. The reason is if they've still got colour in them leaves, they are still sending energy back to the roots. And it goes with the same with peonies too. If they've got colour in the leaves like this, they've still got goodness, and the plant is sucking that goodness down to the roots. You want to save and wait until these plants are dry and dead. That's how we want it. That's ready for clear up. But if you need to, you've got to do what you've got to do. Let's get splitting perennials. People aren't talking about splitting perennials. I don't know why. It helps them get more space and gives you more plants. Also, now's the time for moving perennials too, if you need to. Sometimes plants can get big and bulky and they just need moving. Roses. This isn't a hard prune. It's basically, we're getting rid of the dead, damaged and diseased, and also any of these leggy stems will be catching the wind and you'll get windrock. You don't want that. So it's a light tidy up. Don't be cutting your mop head and lace cap hydrangeas. You will lose flowers unless you really need to. And this camellia, as much as I'd love to tidy it up, these are all the flowers for next spring. So do not cut your rhododendrons or your camellias unless you really need to. If you've got any soft plants like echium, now is the time to start thinking about how you're going to fleece them up when we have them cold snaps. Don't forget, it's the perfect time to be planting your tulips now it's colder, and also get sowing them sweet peas as well. Who'd have thought November we are sowing seeds? But yes, November is a quieter month, but it's a lovely time to be in the garden. Everything's slowing down, and that's a good reminder for us to do the same. Take a moment and listen to the rustle of leaves, breathe in the cold air, but mainly enjoy it. Happy gardening.